Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. For today's video, we're going to talk about how you can set up a proxy server online. So, let's get right into the video. So, what you want to do here right now is first, we want to open up your Windows tab and then go to change proxy settings, open this, and then quickly click on setup on manual proxy setup. Just turn this on and then enter in your proxy IP address and your port. Now for this part, what you want to do now is you want to go to a third party application that provides proxy servers. So we would prefer either, or we would suggest you getting these proxy servers either on IP Royale or on Smart Proxy. These are trusted proxy servers, but of course, you're gonna have to pay for a proxy server. And then once you got the proxy server, all you have to do is to input the code right here, the IP address and the port, which these applications will be providing for you. And then after that, just click on save, and automatically if you had inputted an IP address and a port, that should work already. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please don't forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.